All right, my people, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. So we got another battle box right here. You guys know that battle box sends this to the channel for me to take a look at it, and it costs a penny. So make sure you do your research, you make a decision if you want to get it or not. So again, I don't pay for this to send it to me, and again, I open this here on camera for you guys all the time. But you're looking anything from $34, the basic, all the way to and $69.99, which is $170. And just to put it for you guys out there, that could be a motorcycle payment. So again, it's up to you to decide if you want to get this or not. So again, essentially, you're gonna get a bunch of different items that you could utilize in situations of emergency, some training items and things like that. Just recently, we had a hurricane, and I tried a couple different things, saying bye to my wife, and again, some good stuff. Sometimes it's really good stuff. Sometimes it's stuff that you probably not going to use. So we're gonna take a look at it here, and again, let's just kind of look into this and see what we got. I haven't really done any research on this one yet. So again, this is gonna be mission 93 battle box. You got a little book like this that is gonna show you some of the items, and again, it's gonna be a little bit of a surprise to me as well, because I did open it up. I think I looked at the knife maybe, and I put it to the side because lately I've been kind of busy. But again, mission 93. Let's go ahead and open this up. And of course, just like every single box, let's get my 99 cents, or actually $1 glasses from the dollar store. And let's go ahead and do that right here. So the first thing that we're going to have right here is going to be an axe wax. All right. So apparently we have to wax our axe. And there it is. It says a value of $22. So let's go ahead and kind of look into it to see where it is. And I see it right here. So this is essentially what we're gonna have right there, right? So again, if you're in the business of waxing your axe, essentially that's what you're gonna get right there. Here's some of the paste right there. And again, let's close this up. And it says apply to the warm wood, metal, or leather. This handmade wax blend contain only the finest or all natural food safe ingredients. All right, so that's what you're gonna have right there. That's gonna be about $22, and that's gonna be on the basic item, right? We're gonna put that to the side. The next thing is gonna be this right here, right? And here you have a My Medic and medicine pack. These are usually pretty cool, because once again, you could put this in a kit or something like that inside a backpack. Just put it just like this and get it if you need to, right? So this is kind of what you have right there. This is the back. It does have a list of the items that you have in here. Alcohol wipes, that's good. Super skin blister strip, triple antibiotic ointment, so that's good. Has a whistle in there. Emergency blanket, some medication. So again, water purification tab. So again, a couple of different things. I like these things. These things are actually pretty nice. You could put it somewhere, like I say. And I'm gonna give you a quick look right here for you to see it. That's gonna be about $27. That's gonna be the second item, and I believe the last item is gonna be a fire starter. All right, a fire starter. Battle Box is pretty good on bringing those fire starters. We have gotten lots of them. So if you have a Battle Box subscription, no excuse. You should always know how to make a fire. And this is kind of what you have right there. And that's going to value about $32, right? So let me put it to the side. Let's jump into the next thing. This is going to be the advanced box. This item is going to be about $48, and is this right here. As you can see, this thing right here. And again, this is going to be a stove. So let's take a look at it. I don't even know where it is. And congratulations. I won something. I don't know if it's this. I think it's this. Maybe. Yeah, it's probably this right here. Let's see. Let's look at the picture. All right. Yeah. So little picture down here. So let's go ahead and open this up so we could kind of take a look at it. And let's come back over here. Let's kind of find a knife or something. Maybe I don't need a knife. Let's see. Sometimes this microphone gets in the way, and it gets kind of annoying. But for the purpose of making videos for you guys, I need the microphone. All right, so this is kind of what you have right there. It comes really well packed. That's actually kind of nice. And again, you open it up and you have the components in there, so you can see this. So this is actually quite small, and kind of nice to be able to put in a backpack or something. Look how small this thing is. This thing is cool. Again, you could put it inside a backpack or something like that if you go camping. And again, you're gonna have a little stove. Let's look at some of the pictures right here. You can see the picture right there. So again, that's gonna be really, really cool. And the next thing that we're gonna have is gonna be an axe. This is gonna be or a hatchet. And again, we're gonna open that up. You see it right there. It's gonna value about $79. So let's go ahead and take a look at this and see what we got. I believe it's this. Maybe it's this right here. And I do not know where. Okay, no, it's this. So this is the knife of the month. This is the hatchet. All right, I'm digging it. Okay, so this is what you got right here. I'll tell you this right now. It's heavy. It's actually quite heavy. The moment that I picked it up, it felt a little bit heavy. And let me make sure I don't cut myself. Obviously, you got a belt loop right there. And let's get it out. Nice and slow. And here's what we got. All right, that's interesting. Let's take a look at it. Obviously, you have some threads or something in there. So, yeah, pretty cool. Pretty cool. Let's see. Maybe it has a way. Nope. It doesn't say anything, but I'm assuming you could put something through here. So, again, not really sure. It does come with a screwdriver as well. So, that's actually, looks like actually a pretty decent one. All right, so let me put it back in here. And then let's go ahead and open the knife. Well, actually, let me just leave it like this so I don't waste time. And let's go ahead and open the knife of the month, which is always really exciting. And this is going to be a Gorilla Survival Blowline, $89. I mean, this thing is kind of cool. Look at it right there. Has like a little tactical feeling on it. And let's go ahead and open this up. You guys can see. And then, yep, I did open this up. Now I remember. And this is kind of what you have. Which, by the way, is really greasy. I don't know why it's so greasy. I mean, I'm assuming that you have to put a lot of I don't know, something in there. Look at that. It's pretty greasy. So again, we're gonna clean it out. We're gonna wipe it up now. But again, here's a quick look right there. This thing looks nice. I like it. I actually like it a lot. And look at that. Feels good. It's a little bit heavy, but it's good. It doesn't feel bad. It feels like really, really nice. And obviously, you have the sheet right here. Nice. Assuming you can hang this somewhere. I don't know. You have this back here, which obviously you could put this through something. So, yeah, I like it. Ooh, I like it. I like this. I like this. I said it. I like it. I like the presentation on it. Everything about it. I think it's pretty cool. So again, that's going to be Battlebox Mission 93. Big shout out to Battlebox for sending this to the channel. We definitely appreciate you guys watching. And as always, God is in control.